In the path to a successful YouTube channel, you are going to need a few involuntary mentors. Let's roll the intro. Alright guys, and what I mean by involuntary mentors is that you are going to need to look up to somebody. There's a lot of YouTubers out there that are killing the game and that you can use as guides for your channel to grow and continually observe and analyze to improve your own content. Like I said, I have several, but today I'm gonna share 5 with you guys, the top 5, alright? So number 1, the king of vlogging, Casey Neistat. I remember when I started watching Casey's videos, the first one that I watched was the one and he flew a drone inside of an airplane. I remember saying to myself, okay, this guy is nuts, and I fell in love right away with his content. I can say that I have watched 95% of Casey's videos. I'm sure a couple of them escaped me, but for the most part, I think I have watched almost all of them. What makes Casey so successful, I think, are 3 things. The first one is his amazing ability to tell stories on a daily basis. He uses a very basic but effective storytelling structure. I am sure you heard of this one in elementary school. Every video follows the beginning, stating a problem or a challenge, the middle, in which is the climax or the high point, and the last one is the resolution, solving the problem. Casey uses this structure in all his videos. The second one is the video and creativity, meaning all the B-roll, time lapses, and all the little unique personalized handmade graphics. Yes, he has a very unique way to do and showcase examples on his own way. You know, some things that when you see them, you're like, okay, this is a Casey thing to do, right? Like wearing his glasses. The third one is his discipline and commitment. Casey technically made daily vlogging a success. His work ethic and dedication to post videos daily is really hard to match. In part, YouTube loves this. The algorithm loves the consistency of posting every single day. But don't get me wrong, it was not only that the algorithm loved the daily posting, but actually it was a combination of the 3 things I talk about. His storytelling, the quality of his videos like B-roll, etc., you know, and the daily vlogging. These 3 constants were crucial for him to grow and dominate YouTube. Number 2, the one and only Peter McKinnon.
What's up, everybody?
Called by many the current king of photo and video content. I have been following Peter since his early days, you know, and his growth in YouTube has been incredible. In less than a year, Peter gained 1 million subscribers, which at the time was very impressive. Still very impressive now if you are able to achieve those kind of things. The 3 key points that I think made Peter so successful are his charisma. Peter is great at speaking and engaging in front of the camera. He is a natural, and that is a good trait to have. You know, everyone can be charismatic in their own way. Peter had a unique and likable personality that a lot of people really liked. The second one is his ability to teach. Yes, to teach. Everyone can know a lot of things and trying to explain different things, you know, but just a few have the skill, the talent to be good teachers. And Peter McKinnon is one of them. He is great at making complicated subjects very easy to understand. His tutorials are broken down into steps and dumbed down for the ones that don't have much experience making videos or taking pictures. The last reason for his success is his creativity and skills as filmmaker and photographer. Peter found the perfect combination between lifestyle vlogging and cinematic videos. Mixing these two, Peter provided an impressive and engaging, entertaining video for us to watch twice a week. Nowadays, you see everyone doing slow motion videos and seamless transitions, but even though Peter didn't invent these things or was the first one to do them, slow motion definitely became a signature of his, especially his coffee videos. This became something that everybody wanted to do. Now, I think it is a little bit overused right now, but I still think it looks cool. Number 3, The Paul brothers, Jake and Logan Paul. Yes, I am going there. Here comes the YouTube drama. Even though Logan and Jake have different personalities, the approach they use works for them. I can definitely make individual videos for both of them, but I'm not gonna do that. For the sake of keeping this video short, I am going to combine both of them and explain what both of them have in common. Logan and Jake are great at getting people's attention, and the approach they use is called, by some experts, the villain approach. According to the villain approach, the villain will always make more noise than the hero. Therefore, the villain will make more money than the hero. The villain makes almost everyone around him hate him, and this ignites a desire to stop him. This is exactly what Logan and Jake Paul been doing, and they do it very well. If you walk around and ask people, the majority of people will dislike them, They will think that the Paul brothers are jerks. And they might not even be jerks, but they use this as a marketing technique. And trust me, they do make bank. If you check their YouTube channels, you will find out that out of this world type of content. What I mean by out of this world type of content is that you'll find things that your neighbor wouldn't do or you won't find in your neighborhood. There's a lot of drama involved, and what can I say, man? People love drama. And now with Logan and Jake becoming boxers, they have found the right platform or sport to generate conflict, noise, in which they're huge at it, It's a huge aspect of boxing to get people's attention and to generate drama and conflict between the fighters. So this fits perfect. Jake especially has been adopting boxing the most. And as expected, he generates conflict by mocking and attacking professional fighters, with the goal to generate fuss or enough noise to be noticed. Everybody wants to see Jake Paul get knocked out. Everybody wants the villain to be defeated. And I'm just gonna be honest, I don't think he's a villain, all right? Number 4, if you have any questions about investing in the stock market or about cryptocurrency, then you have to check Andrew Jake's videos. I used to have this idea or concept that investing and all of that was not for me. And it's not because I was not capable to understand it, but because it seemed very boring to me. So one day I was consuming content on YouTube and I found one of Andrew's videos. The video is called I Got Paid $781 using Robinhood. I clicked on it, I watched it, and I liked it. I think the 3 key points for Andrew's success are these. Okay, number 1, he's an expert on his field. He knows exactly what he's talking about. He understands how investments and cryptocurrency work. Therefore, his videos provide tons of value. Number 2, he makes a boring topic not so boring anymore. And this is really not an easy task to do, even less in the financial world because the topics are boring. Andrew manages to make it interesting by doing things that you won't expect from a financial advisor, like magic, jokes, memes, and funny references. Number 3, he knows how to identify what people want to learn, in regards to the finances. He has even said it himself. Every time that he notices that a topic catches people's attention or interest, he creates a series of videos related to that topic. That way, he gives the algorithm something he knows it will be searched by people. And the YouTube algorithm also loves that.
I'm in love too. I agree.
YouTuber number 5 and last one. Have you ever wondered if there's a video that explains and analyzes in detail what a successful YouTube channel looks like? Yes? No? Well, Paddy Galloway does exactly that. He studies the most successful YouTube channels and breaks down the techniques and strategies big-name YouTubers use. So what makes Paddy Galloway's video so interesting is that he uses graphics, animations, and any other videos of whoever he is talking about, to make or indicate whatever point he is referring to. He doesn't publish this every day, but when he does, the video contains tons of valuable information. And for the people that want to grow their YouTube channels, these videos are very helpful. Galloway really digs deep into the analysis of every channel that he is talking about, and that makes him an expert. Another thing that I would like to mention is that Galloway does a great job at closing his videos, meaning that his closing pitch is very motivational. I guarantee you that after watching one of his videos, you will be motivated to start your own YouTube channel or just to create more videos. So if you want to start, or you already have a YouTube channel and want to find out what big name YouTubers do to become big name YouTubers, then you must check Paddy Galloway's videos. Alright guys, so we have reached the end of this video, and I hope this information is helpful. And if you would like me to go more in depth, more in detail about one of these YouTubers, let me know in the comments down below. You guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell, and see you guys later.